Welcome to this concise tutorial on changing a page URL in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. When the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will see the login option. Click on the login link to start the authentication process, as this is the first step toward accessing your site's content management area. Once you have chosen the login option, you will be presented with multiple methods to sign in. Select the option to continue with your Google account. This feature leverages your existing Google credentials, eliminating the need to remember separate passwords. After clicking the Continue with Google button, simply choose the Google account you wish to use. This method is both secure and convenient, streamlining your entry into WordPress without unnecessary complications. With your account now active, the next step is to locate and enter the Pages section. This area is where all of your site's pages are listed and managed. Upon clicking Pages, you will see an overview of your website's pages, along with a variety of management options. Here, the functionality known as Quick Edit becomes visible. The Quick Edit feature is designed to facilitate quick modifications without requiring you to open a full editor for the page. It is an efficient way to make minor but important adjustments to your pages. Within Quick Edit, concentrate on the field labeled as the slug. The slug forms the latter part of your website's URL and plays a significant role in describing the content of the page. In this step, you will modify the existing slug by replacing it with new text that more accurately reflects the page's subject matter or aligns better with your search engine optimization strategy. When updating the slug, make sure that your new text is both concise and descriptive, as this can enhance the way search engines index your page. After entering your desired new slug, proceed by clicking on the Update button. This action finalizes your changes and saves the new URL setting for the page. It is important to allow this update process to complete so that the new configuration is properly applied. Once you have updated the page, take a moment to verify that the changes are reflected correctly by viewing the page both within the WordPress editor and on your live site. This straightforward process of accessing WordPress, logging in with your Google account, navigating to pages, utilizing Quick Edit, updating the slug, and finally clicking Update ensures that you can efficiently change any page URL. Each step is designed to be quick and easy to follow, allowing you to focus on enhancing your website's functionality and search engine presence. By following this tutorial, you have now successfully updated the URL of a page on your WordPress site. Enjoy the benefits of a more precise and optimized page URL, and continue refining your website to meet your needs.